Do you want to know how you can log into your Just Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Just Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser, go to the search bar to search for Just Payroll. And if it doesn't appear, just go ahead and search for Just Payroll login and click on this link over here, which is the third link. After you click on the third link, it will lead you to this page, which is the official login portal of Just Payroll services. Go ahead and write down your email address in the first box. After you write down your email address, go to the second box, write down your password. And then click on this eye icon, which you can see over here, to check your password. After you write down your email address and make sure that it is associated with your Just Payroll account, and click login. So guys, let me show it to you once again. Go ahead and search for Just Payroll login, click on the third link which appears on your screen. It will lead you to the official login portal of Just Payroll services. The first step is to write down your email address, so go ahead and fill them up. Go ahead and write down your password and check your password once again, and then click login. This way you can successfully log into your Just Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.